What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy Ryan Blogs to back at again with another video. It's just about the title of the video. My bad, you guys, I'm a little scruffy today, but it's our kind of like our very first snowfall of the year, pretty much. Well, of course, of the new year, because it's 2022 now, but it's our first real snowfall, and your boy got lowered. So I just pretty much turned the camera on to show y'all how it is being driving lower sport in the winter. So I'm gonna just be cruising, you guys, and we're just gonna go about the Rizno. Oh, I wish I would have had my GoPro with me, you guys. Hey guys, it ain't that bad. These things are tanks, bro. Even though I'm only going like 25 miles an hour. And don't worry about the tire pressure sensor, man. You know, with being cold, I put air in all the tires 50 times, and yet again they still saying they low. So I'm not even gonna worry about you guys. But right now, currently, you guys, we are headed to Menards because, man, they say you get a house, right? Yup. And then you got to get the, oh, we got a hill here. Hold on. Oh, look at that. Nothing. Piece of cake. But they say get a house, right? Yup. It's all nice and dandy till, oh, there's some holes over here, too. Until you got to shovel your driveway, and you gotta shovel the freaking sidewalk, especially with it being a corner lot, you guys. Sucks. Oh, I hate the snow because you can't really see the holes that packed with snow. And it's like 50 holes over here, you guys. It's a bunch of holes over here. Yeah, people's not lying, man. These things are freaking amazing in the snow. My last car was as you guys know, the Mustang. That was real drive, so man, you gonna slide? Oh, it slid just a little bit. That's front wheel drive. Got the little Mini Coupe out here. Got the little caddy dog. Yeah, it's coming down, you guys. I bet you as soon as I get home, all the stuff that I shovel, it's gonna look like this. I didn't even shovel it. And we also need to get some gas while we out. But if you guys have a Sport, let me know. Or just have a Fusion with this cluster. When you get gas and you arc out certain inclines, does the gas pressure thing go up a little bit from what it actually has in the tank? I wonder if it's just mine. Let me know, you guys. F-150 handling that junk. Y'all know y'all gotta make sure the coast's clear both ways. Make sure everybody's stopping and slow, because if not, people can cruise right through these lights, man. Y'all gotta be careful. I'm trying to teach y'all some snow driving etiquette also. Wasn't so strict over here, we can get some donuts, but that junk ain't even that hype to me. Plus, you risking a whole bunch of stuff in your car. Ain't nobody trying to do that, man. We just cruising though, like just mushing through all of this. I know this may not seem like a lot, but coming from where I was in my little sub, we had a lot of snow. Oh, look, there go a Bronco, y'all. Let y'all see a Bronco real quick. He probably going 50 in this mug. I didn't worry about a thing. Everybody going, so I shouldn't even be this close to this F-150. Yeah, he's somebody in front of him probably slowing down there. That's all that main. That's all the main. It looked even more clear in the, yeah, somebody in front of it was turning. That's why it was going that slow. But it looked way clearer in the camera than it do out here. Well, he had to come over some more. He almost ended up in the ditch. Gotta be careful, champ. I guess would have been all-wheel drive helps too, but the lower center of gravity really helps out. But however, I know the whole front end gonna be all snowplow. Not even from the street, from the whatchamacallit, from where the sub. Now, always riding the tracks, you guys. For y'all that don't get snow in y'all areas, always riding the snow tracks while the cars been driven there. Oh, here go a cop, y'all. We gotta come down real quick. Another 5-0 that don't play. They probably still be giving people tickets in the snow. Oh, snap. We spun all 4, you guys. We spun all 4. But we're still trucking along, y'all. We're still trucking along. And traction is on, you guys. You only take traction off when you are, like, stuck. You want to take all the traction off and just mat it a little bit. And then, like, pretty much rock yourself back and forth out of when you're stuck. I don't think we should have to do any of that. But it's not bad, you guys. And we are not on snow tires either. I know everybody be like, oh, you might be on snow tires, whatever. Nope, not on snow tires. We're on Union Royal Tiger Paws all seasons. I think they only got like 5,000 or something like that. 5 or 10,000 max miles on them. So they're pretty brand new. Still got a lot of tread on them. I really hope they got some salt up here, guys. If not, I'll be upset. He was over there sweeping his porch off. It's not bad. I might have to consider doing that. I'm still trying to pick up, like, you know, new owners etiquette and stuff, or just a homeowner's etiquette and what to do. Like, say, like, weather like this, or just, you know, just like, oh, maintaining the house and stuff. So if you guys got any tips or whatever, drop it below in the video. Some stuff that you may not think I know. So everything helps. Oh, snap. We got to ease up. Because Champ in the middle of the street. If they ain't got none of Menards, I'm going to stop it. Mitre over there. I'm pretty sure they got to have some. Oh, come on, Champ. You came all the way out here. And when it's snowing, even when it's not snowing, you guys should never, ever fully drive up to the light up there. Ever. Because somebody could come slide around this corner right here and just smack you. Or somebody could be flying trying to make the light and cut this corner real hard and still smack you. Or cut that too short and smack you. So never fully drive up to the light, you guys. I'm going to take the center lane. And you want to take the center lane until you're at the point where you want to turn in. People ask, like, what? People are getting their car washed, you guys. What? Bro, it's snowing out here. Make it make sense, you guys. I think this is the entry right here at the light. So, pull up in here. Hope they open. I'm big upset. And we guys pulling up to stop or whatever. You guys do not want to slam on the brakes or anything. You want to pulsate the brake pedal like this. You got do it like that. Ease into it. I'm surprised he ain't spitting that mug. He having a good old time though. And you always want to take off with ease. Oh, yes sir. Got a little spinny. Come on, chap. Let me through, man. Hey, look at that plow. Probably making some money off that, John. Right, got a little spinny right here. It's all open right here. And the traction control on too, so. Oh. A little spin class. Ooh. small spitty spin class. Oh, look at the camera, y'all. That boy's covered in snow. That's why you always gotta know how to use them side mirrors also. Can't just be relying on technology. You feel me? Because technology can cover it, so you gotta actually know how to try. You feel me? All right, y'all, she did pretty well. Yeah, like I said, covered with snow. Look at that, she did pretty well, you guys. Is real quick. Yeah, not bad, you guys. All the snow picked up there. All the stuff from the exhaust. She did pretty good. We got the salt and we got some gloves right here because your boy hands was cold. Also, to change our wheels, we got to get a 22mm socket, a 1/2 inch shroud. I don't have any that actually grip it though. Cause I got a 22. Maybe I got a 21. It grips the front of it, but we don't have any deep ones. I'll go to deep ones. Deep socket. The deep socket or the regular? Let's get the deep socket, you guys. 22-inch deep socket. Should work perfectly for our wheels, you guys. That way we can swap them. Heck yeah. Look at that. We got everything we needed. We got a thing to swap our wheels in the summertime. We got some gloves because our hands be cold and some salt. We are out of here, you guys. We had everything we needed. Dang, y'all, look, he got something for throw the salt out with. Should have got one of them. I need a mat like that, but I don't think like that because I don't like the way it look. But when you come out of my garage, need one of those. All right, y'all, we got everything needed. Oh, wheeling the cart. Oh, wheeling this mud. Shoot. Oh, job donuts. Look at big group. You don't see those often. Nice fella too. That's Jay. Oh, Bronco, y'all. Another Bronco. They all around here. Jeez, man. It looks so menacing though. Can't tell me she don't look sweet, y'all. And still can handle the snow. The snow heavy. Alright. Let's get a warm start for the boys. For the boys. For the boys. Like a boss at one-handedness. Load them up. Look at this. Run a grocery getter and still gap you. That's the best thing about the sport, y'all. And we got you. Empty cart. Yeah.